Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can enroll into the Bank of Hope. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.bankofhope.com and hit enter. Once the home page of the Bank of Hope opens up on your screen, on the right hand of your screen you'll see a small tab where you can fill in some credentials. Now, for you to enroll into the Bank of Hope, you need to click on the sign up now button just on the right side of the sign in button. After you click on the sign up now button, you'll be directed to another page. What you will have to do is scroll down to the very bottom of the page and then click on this option, and then you'll have to click on the I accept the terms and conditions button. After you click on the accept button, you'll be directed to another page where you will have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your first name here, your middle name here, your last name here, your social security number here, your birth date here, your account number here, your email address here and your phone here. Check whether you have filled in all the credentials correctly and then click the submit button. Once you click the submit button, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you'll be automatically enrolled into the Bank of Hope. I hope this video helped you to enroll into the Bank of Hope. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.